How to fix X loading problem. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you some ways that you can fix your X loading problem. So for that, head over to your Play Store first, and then simply type in X. Tap search, and if your application shows update just like mine, you have to tap on update and update your app. Once you're done updating your app, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below, and here you will see an option that says Apps. Open it, and you will see a list of all the applications you have in your device. Here again, tap on the search bar, type in X, then enter. Here tap on to X application. Scroll below, then tap on Storage. Clear the cache, and if you remember your credentials, you may also go ahead and tap on Clear Data. But before deleting your data, also be noted, this will delete all of your saved credentials. If you would still like to delete, then tap on Delete. If not, come back onto App Info page. Then here you will see Permissions. Tap onto it and make sure that you have allowed permissions for photos and videos, cameras and microphone if needed. Once done, lastly tap on Force Stop, then OK. And likewise, restart your device, launch your X application, and this shall fix your problem. If it's still not working, then you need to go ahead and restart your router. If you are using your mobile data, you can also go ahead and turn it off and turn it back on again, and that shall work. That is all for today, you guys. Thank you all for watching, and we will catch you up in our next upload.